Friends, welcome to the online class. Already we have solved so many numericals in the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Now we will see also different type of numericals. Just to see, suppose question is like that: in an arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, term P means P term is equal to Q and term Q is equal to P. Then to find the term P plus Q. Suppose question is like this way. In an arithmetic progression, term P is equal to Q and term Q is equal to P, so that you have to find the value of P plus Q term. So how we can solve it? So first we have to remember, since first term is not given to you as well as common difference is not given, so we will let the first term is small a and common difference, that is D. Because whenever we work out the sum from arithmetic progression, always we have to write which one is the first term and which one is common difference. So now you see P term P is equal to Q. So ultimately we will write a plus P minus 1 into D, that is equal to Q, equation number 1. Because you have the idea, if n term is there, you are writing a plus n minus 1 into D. So P term P, ultimately a plus P minus 1 into D. Because already you told first term is a, common difference is D. So this is the equation number 1. Similarly, second equation, term Q is equal to P. So ultimately we will write a plus Q minus 1 into D, that is equal to P. Equation number 2. So already we got two linear equations. So how we can find out the value of first term as well as common difference? So if we will subtract the equation number 1, equation number 2 from equation number 1, so ultimately you see, if we subtract the equation number 2 from equation number 1, so what do you get? A cancelled, we got P minus 1 and Q minus 1 into D will be subtracted from P minus 1 into D. So what will you write? P minus 1, this Q sign will be minus Q and this minus 1 will be plus 1 into D. Because we know whenever subtraction we will do, that number which is going to be subtracted, sign will be changed. If sign will be changed, here plus Q will be minus Q, here minus 1 will be plus 1, and D is common. So we got Q minus P. So now you observe, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, so we got P minus Q into D, that is equal to Q minus P. Otherwise, if minus sign common, you may write P minus Q. Here is Q minus P. If minus sign is common, it will be minus sign whole into P minus Q. Then P minus Q will be cancelled from both sides, so that you got small d, it means common difference. Common difference is minus 1. You got common difference is minus 1. So now Our aim is to find out the first term. So what we will do? We just put the value of common difference either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Any equation we will put the value of b, so that we will get the value of a. A means first term. So I will write the first equation again. A plus p minus 1 into d, that is equal to q. So a plus p minus 1, value of d is equal to minus 1, that is equal to q. So now you observe a plus a, here is minus 1 multiplied with p, ultimately minus p, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, that is equal to q. So now what we got? For the value of a, q, this minus p will come to this side, that will be plus p minus 1. So now you observe, already you got the value of a means first term, and here you got the value of common difference. And the question is that to find p plus q term. So you will write p plus q term is equal to a plus p plus q minus 1 into d as per the n term formula. So now you have to put the value of a is q plus p minus 1, then plus p plus q minus 1, d value is minus 1. It means minus 1 will be multiplied with this number. So ultimately we will get q plus p minus 1, minus 1 multiplied with p, that is minus p minus q plus 1. Now you observe all will be cancelled, so we got 0. So question was to find the p plus q term. So already we got the answer 0. So this type of numericals we will also face in arithmetic progression. Now another thing you have to remember, suppose in a arithmetic progression, if Sn is given, Sn means in a progression, if there are n terms, number of terms is n, you have to find the sum. That is called Sn. Sn is given to you, and you have to find the value of term n. It means what is the nth term value you have to find out. If nth term sum is given, how to find out nth term. So now you just see Sn is equal to, already you know, if in a sequence, in a progression, in a arithmetic progression, there are n terms. It means first term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d. So that we will write what? We will write the nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Already we have discussed these things. So you should know what will be its previous term. If this is the nth term, ultimately its previous term will be a plus n minus 2 into d. So we'll say first term is a, second term a plus d, like that last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d, and previous term will be a plus n minus 2 into d. So now if I will write here Sn minus 1, Sn minus 1 means here are n terms, but here are one term is less. If one term will be less, so what we write? A plus b, second term, third term will be a plus 2d, and last term will be the previous one. So we write a plus n minus 2 into d. Because here are n terms, so last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. But here are n minus 1 term. N minus 1 means whatever the terms are in the first equation, one term is less. If one term is less, so last term will be a plus n minus 2 into d. So now you just subtract it. So I write Sn minus 1. So this plus a, I write minus, this plus will be minus. Whatever will be subtracted, that will be change their signs. Those numbers will be subtracted, we will change their sign. So we will observe a cancel, this data will be cancelled, and also this data will be cancelled. So what will be left? Only this term will be left. It means already we will get a plus n minus 1 into d, because all are cancelled. So we may write Sn minus 1, a plus n minus 1 into d, that is called term n. So we will write term n. So this is the formula that we have to remember. Term n formula is Sn minus 1. This is the formula for term n. So based on this formula, I will give you 2-3 questions for you. You have to solve at home. Any doubt if arises, you will ask me. So now I write the question. So if I write question number 1, Sn is equal to 2n square, find Sn is equal to 2n square, find T10. Question number 2, Sn is equal to 2n square plus 3n, find T6. T6 means 6 term. So these two numericals you will solve. If any doubt arises, we will discuss in next class. Thank you.